Stop fixing GPT's mistakes. Use this single prompt trick to force it into a senior architect persona. If you've been prompting GPT like a search bar, you're accepting the role of quality assurance engineer. You are still doing the cognitive heavy lifting. The difference between a helpful coder and an infallible architect is the system prompt. It's not just asking it to code, it's establishing a rigorous, multi-stage contract. We need to move beyond write this function. We are going to build a system that defines the persona, maps constraints, and enforces self-correction. Phase 1, Persona Injection. You must not just say act like an architect. You must inject the specific knowledge base, experience level, and professional standards of a principal engineer at Google or Meta. This means defining the required output quality, complexity limits, target latency metrics, and adherence to specific architectural patterns like microservices or event sourcing. Phase 2, Constraint Mapping. This is where you constrain the sandbox. You are telling GPT, you cannot use N+1 queries. Or the solution must scale horizontally to 10,000 RPS without degradation. You are shifting the burden of judgment. You are making GPT the gatekeeper, not just the laborer. Phase 3, the iterative review cycle. This is the secret sauce. Instead of asking for code, you ask it to propose a high-level plan first, and only then generate the implementation details. The system prompt must include a final instruction block. Before outputting code, you must perform a critical self-review against the initial constraints. Identify potential single points of failure. This makes GPT's output self-aware. It stops being a suggestion and starts being a certified deliverable. If you want to see how this translates into a powerful working flow, stick around. We'll walk through a full implementation scenario. Let's take a common scenario, building a scalable user authentication service in Python. The naive prompt asks, write the login function. The architect prompt asks, design the entire service layer for secure, scalable user authentication, including database schema and failure modes. When you enforce the persona and constraints upfront, GPT doesn't guess. It designs within a framework of proven engineering best practices. It forces the LLM to think like a systems designer first, and only then execute. The resulting prompt is a living document, a detailed engineering brief that governs the entire interaction.